So we've done it. We're here at the end of the project management course. That was a lot of information to digest. Please feel free to go back through the recordings and revisit all of this again, because it truly is a lot of information. And it doesn't end there. Project management is such a huge topic. Yes, we've covered a lot. We've covered schedules and costs and risks and quality. We've covered so much, but it doesn't stop there. There's so much to project management. Each one of these topics becomes even bigger and more detailed and complex. Becoming more knowledgeable about project management, as you're doing now, helps you become a better project manager, helps you advance further in your career, further in your organization, helps you lead technology projects better. Specifically with technology projects, you can't simply go with the flow. They need a proper structure in place. They need effective communication. They need effective risk management. Technology projects need you to be on top of them all the time, need you to manage them effectively. And project management in itself, regardless of industry, is a constantly evolving topic. Just like we have evolved from plan-driven to agile methodologies, we've developed the agile methodology. Project management itself is constantly evolving, and we're constantly learning. We're learning new things about how to deal with each other, how to manage projects in a better way. So I hope you've learned a lot in this course. I hope it was beneficial. It's definitely a lot of information to digest. I urge you to not stop learning. Keep going with project management because it's such a crucial topic in digital technology. We'll stop it here with this course, and I hope you enjoyed it.